And also a couple of invites coming from our friends this time at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Check out the July weekend treats, weekend food trips. Just got better with exclusive treats from your favorite food spots at SM City Olongapo Downtown, okay? Dig into delicious deals every weekend this July. Weekends of July, of course. And please join the blood donation drive that will be happening July 17, Thursday, 10 in the morning. Okay, give blood and save lives. We are inviting everyone for this to this bloodletting activity. Once again, July 17, 2025, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. at the level 4 of SM City, SMX Convention Center, SM City Olongapo Central. This is your chance to make a difference. One donation can save up to 3 lives. Do you guys know that? This is in partnership with the Philippine Red Cross Olongapo chapter. Okay? So, July 17, the blood donation campaign. And Superman is now showing at SM City Olongapo Central Cinemas. Okay, so buy your tickets now. Superman. Pengin ticket. And the book donation drive also. SM Supermalls is celebrating 40 years of celebrating memories. And now we're sharing stories that matter. Be part of the SM book donation drive by donating new or pre-loved books at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Okay? Every book you give will help us reach our goal of 40,000 books for the National Library of the Philippines and its affiliate libraries. Kita mo, ganda yung katutunguhan ano, sa National Libraries of the Philippines, okay? And yung mga affiliates niya, okay? And check out the Coffee Fest happening. Coffee and Friends Hangout at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown, of course. This is July 15 to 31, featuring the hangout spots at the ground level, coffee fair, and sip and save, all at the ground level of SM City Olongapo Central in celebration of the 40 super years, okay? Town of the month for SM City Olongapo Downtown, or Central, I'm sorry. SM City Olongapo Central is San Marcelino, okay? This is from July 1 to 31. If you're from San Marcelino, simply present your ID and get special perks, okay? SM Store Olongapo Downtown is having the Shop for Adventure 3-2 passes to Sinagtala Farm Resort with a minimum 3,000 peso single receipt at your everyday store, SM Store. 2 free passes to Sinagtala Farm Resort, okay? And check out the Hive Cine Fest in Asia. This is July 10 to 13, okay? Exclusive at SM Cinemas, all right? Watch your favorite K-pop groups in the big screen. Hive Cinefest in Asia. All right, July 10 to 13. Buy your tickets now. SM City Olongapo Downtown's company of the month is Juken Sangyo. So, Juken Sangyo employees, grab exclusive deals and discounts from participating tenants. The entire month of July, of course, okay? Also, the entire month of July, SM Homes mid-year clearance sale up to 50% off on select home essentials, okay? Back to school promo is ongoing for Kaishin, up to 30% off for students and teachers, okay? So attention students and teachers, present your school ID and you can avail of the promo, July 1 to 31, huh? And Perena's Charms and Wellness Hub is now open to serve you. Okay, so visit Perena's for yung mga mahilig sa mga ano, alam mo na, yung mga Lucky Charms, yung mga crystals, and wellness items. Okay, your newest wellness destination in SM City Olongapo Downtown. Okay, so that's where they are at. Visit the SM Downtown for Perena's Charms and Wellness Hub. And it's gonna be a super celebration. SM Supermalls is celebrating 40 super years of growing, glowing, and going places with you. Okay? So get ready for exciting deals, wild promos, and can't miss surprises across all SM malls. Celebrate with us and experience what makes every visit to SM even more super. 40 super years. Bureau of Immigration is now open at SM City Olongapo Downtown, okay? They are open from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. Level 6 expansion area, SM Downtown. Okay. And at SM Central, the Sports Central's end of season sale up to 50% off on great selections is up until July 13 only. Your favorite sports brand at the third level, SM Central, SM City Olongapo Central. And for your events, think of SMX Convention Center. Kahit anong events pa yan, gaano kalaking events pa yan, concerts, wedding receptions, pwede. Oh, debut. Even yung graduations, dyan tinadaos. You know? SMX Convention Center at the fourth level of SM City Olongapo Central. And lastly, the second preliminaries of Little Stars, SM Little Stars, will be happening July 13 at the ground level of SM City Olongapo Central. Pwede pang humabol, no? If you want your kids to join. Big prizes awaits the grand winners, the winners of SM Little Stars 2025. Okay? Once again, the second preliminaries will be happening July 13, ground level SM Central. Okay? So those are the invites for you coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Okay? Once again, I'd like to remind you, kailangan natin ng blood donors for the July 17 bloodletting program at SM City Olongapo Central. Doon gaganapin. Okay? So, please join. I'm an advocate of blood donation dahil every 3 months no? Naku, hindi ako pwede kasi kakadonate ko lang ng June. So, my next donation would be from on June, July, August. Sa September na ako makakapag-donate ulit. Naku, pasensya na ha. Our friends at Philippine Red Cross Olongapo chapter. Okay? So last Saturday they were here yung SM no, not SM. the Red Cross Olongapo chapter and may binigay sila sa ating mga importanteng info na pwede pala tayong mag-donate na kung saan ang ine-extract lang are the platelets na pwedeng gawin every 2 weeks. O, di ba? Okay? There are other ways of donating. Pero yung regular blood donation, you can do it every 3 months. Do you guys know, when you donate blood, pag regular donor ka, may side effect siya na maganda eh. It gives you beautiful skin. Di ba? Glowing, beautiful skin ang binibigay sa'yo. Side effect ng when you donate blood. Tapos, isa pang donate blood nun, you will be healthier. Your bone marrow will be forced to produce new red blood cells. Oo, kasi 'di ba, nag-donate ka, nabawasan. So kailangan mag-produce si bone marrow mo ng new red blood cells. And those are new red blood cells. Meaning new, fresh, parang change oil. Kung baga sa sasakyan, bagong change oil ka, 'di ba? So may magandang effects making you healthier. Your organs will function even better, 'di ba? Because you have new red blood cells that brings oxygen to your organs, to the necessary places. Yes. Yung red blood cells natin, yan yung nagtransport ng oxygen sa mga parts of the body na kailangan yung oxygen, syempre. Okay? Alright? So, July 17 yun, ha? Don't forget the blood donation drive. SM City Olongapo Central. July 17, Thursday, 10 a.m. in cooperation with SM City, with the Philippine Red Cross Olongapo chapter. Okay, I guess that's about it for me. I gotta say goodbye now. Maraming salamat po for keeping me company and I'm gonna miss you guys dahil sa Lunes na yung balik natin no? Monday to Thursday lang yung ating Bandera Night Jam with DJ Tommy G. And also don't forget, this coming Saturday, I will be back for the VACC Hour Real Talk. Kasama ko ang ating Ka Fernan Julian Makabayan. Okay? Para sa BACC Hour Real Talk. Alright? Makinig kayo ha? Pakinggan nyo lagi yung mga programa ng Radyo Bandera 107.1 News FM Olongapo. Okay? Ang radio station na walang kaproblema sa ibang radio station. Ewan ko, ba't kami pinoproblema? Masyado kaming pinoproblema. yung ibang tao, yun na masyado po problemahin. Nakaka yan di ba? Nakakatanda yan lalo. Okay. So, yeah. Okay. So, This coming Saturday po yon. And also Saturday, sa gabi naman, join us for a night of fun. Ayan, we will be doing stand-up comedy, music, singing, poetry at Acapella Cafe. Ayan, for the event called Zamba Mike Open Mic. Tuwing Saturday yan, we do that there. 8 p.m. See you guys. Punta lang po kayo sa Acapella Cafe, ha? Burgos Street, in front of the gasoline station yung Burgos Street. Okay? And yung gasoline station that I'm talking about is just beside the Subic Town Municipal Hall, munisipyo ng Subic Town. Yun, nandun lang, ha? Okay, so kita-kits, guys. Saturday night, Acapella Cafe. Masarap tumambay sa Acapella Cafe. Siyempre, masarap yung kape. And masarap din yung mga food that goes well with the coffee. Okay? So please, be there or be square. Acapella Cafe. Saturday, 8 p.m. Naalala ko na naman yung nung papunta ako ron, naalala ko na naman yung ali na nakasakay ko sa jeep na blue. Kasi jeep na blue papunta ron no? Hindi ko napigilan na pahatching ako. Sobrang takot na iniwan sa atin ng COVID, no? Umatching ka lang, umubo ka lang, galit na galit yung tao. Up to now, di ba? Parang naging lasting effect niya yun di ba? Okay? Galit na galit sa akin yung ali kung ano sinasabi. Samantalang tinutulungan ko naman siyang punasan yung mukha niya dun sa mga tumalsik. Para yun lang napikon. Tapos one time, hindi ako nakasakay ng blue. Ang sinakyan ko, aircon na bus, papunta ron. May bata, sabi ng bata, Mami! Pagdaan natin doon sa mabahong lugar, kasi may nadadaanan kang mabahong lugar, di ba? May mga poultry, may mga Pagdaan natin sa mabahong lugar, sa Bulacan meron yan, di ba? Yung nadadaanan nyo pag bumabiyahe kayo. Sabi niya, pagdaan natin sa mabahong lugar, uutot ako para di nila mahalata. Umutot nga, ang lakas. Hindi nga halata yung hindi nga halata, pero dinig naman namin. Kasi ang lakas Tapos yung utot niya, may color Alam niyo yung pinakawalang niyang utot? Ang color ng pinakawalang niyang utot, black. Yan na rin yung tunog, black. Yung mahihaing utot naman, eto yung tunog, pink. Yun na rin yung color. Kulay pink ang mahihaing utot. Tapos yun na rin yung tunog, pink. Yung galit na utot, ang kulay niyan green. Yun na rin yung tunog. Grrrm. Galit na galit pre. Grrrm. Now you know. Sige, that's it for me. Tama na. Enough na. I know. Pinapangatawanan ko lang na stand-up comedy radio show ito. A night of fun and music nga di ba? So, be sure to always tune in. Pangalis ng problema to di ba mga pare? Di ba? Okay. So yeah, I gotta go now. Thank you very much and see you guys Saturday at Acapella Cafe Stand-Up Comedy Night with yours truly and my tropas from Zamba Mike. Okay? Mga galing na comedian na sila Kuya Kim, si Kuya Dale, si Kuya Favors. Yan. Si Kuya Mac Navarez, of course. Definitely. And yung mga galing nating poet. Si Mr. MRE, Masikap R. Esporlas, kaya MRE yan no? Yan, okay. Tsaka si Kuya John. Yan, John Pineda. Yan. So, kita-kits. Hopefully nandun sila. Tapos meron pa tayong magaling na magician, si Doc Jello. Napakagaling na magician. Sumasama sa amin sa open mic. Ang galing-galing. Grabe. Yung mga magic tricks niya, yung mamamangha ka Parang mapapaisip ka paano nangyari yun, paano nawala, Next time nga, ililista ko yung mga utang ko, dadaling ko sa kanya para mawala. Pare, pwede bang gawing mawala to? Tsaka yung mga salbahe dun sa sa isang radio station na dahilan ng mga dahilan ng injustice. Gawin, magicin mo nga rin mawala. Sige na, bye-bye. Thank you once again. And here's my, of course, I gotta play a final song for you guys. All right, this is the song coming from the Beach Boys. This is called Why Do Fools Fall in Love? With this song for now, Tommy G saying peace. I'm out of here. Bye for now.